Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. What's up, tech fans? It's your friendly neighborhood future gazer, and today we're diving deep into the latest drone leaks that have the internet buzzing. We're talking about the potential DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a drone that's promising to redefine aerial photography and videography. Now, if you've been following the drone scene, you know that DJI has been steadily pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The Mavic 3 Pro, with its triple camera system, was a game changer. But it seems DJI isn't content to rest on its laurels. Rumor has it that the Mavic 4 is on the horizon, and the leaks are starting to trickle in. We've seen some tantalizing glimpses of this potential powerhouse, and it's got the drone community abuzz with excitement and speculation. The leaked images show a drone that's bigger, bolder, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Let's break down what we know so far. First off, the design. The Mavic 4 Pro appears to have a more substantial build compared to its predecessors. This could be to accommodate larger batteries for extended flight times, or perhaps to house more powerful components. The gimbal system looks beefier too, suggesting improved stabilization and the ability to handle heavier camera payloads. Speaking of cameras, this is where things get interesting. The leaks hint at a massive camera module, potentially housing multiple sensors with larger apertures. This could mean better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and even higher resolution images and videos. We're talking about a drone that could rival professional cinema cameras in terms of image quality. But it's not just about the camera. The Mavic is also rumored to feature advanced obstacle avoidance systems, enhanced flight autonomy, and possibly even some AI-powered features. Imagine a drone that can intelligently navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles with ease, and even follow subjects autonomously. Now let's talk about the implications. If these leaks are accurate, the Mavic 4 Pro could be a game changer for aerial photography and videography. It could open up new creative possibilities for filmmakers, content creators, and even hobbyists. We could see stunning aerial footage that was previously impossible to capture. However, there are also some potential challenges. With increased complexity and features comes a higher price tag. Will the Mavic 4 be accessible to the average consumer, or will it be aimed at professional users? Only time will tell. Another concern is the regulatory landscape. As drone technology continues to advance, so too do the regulations surrounding their use. It's essential to stay informed about the latest rules and restrictions to ensure safe and legal operation. So, what do you think about the potential Mavic 4? Are you excited about the prospect of a drone with such impressive capabilities? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in staying up to date on the latest drone news and reviews, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. I'll be keeping a close eye on developments and bringing you the latest information as it becomes available. Until next time, happy flying.